Oh, Koshka. He loves his treats. He's being all good for you.
Wow.
He's like, if I look all cute, will you give me more? Okay. So we gotta get this on here first. Look, they're nice and fresh. We got them today. Okay, so you're gonna stick that there. And you're gonna stick it through the diamond right there. And pull back. Just like that. That's good. They're pretty delicate about it. Let's go through the diamond. That's perfect. Oh, you love that. He hasn't got one today yet. He hasn't gotten any treats today.
Nice.
So he's a happy boy.
Happy.
No paw down. No paws. They sometimes put their paws up there when they're like getting impatient.
Yeah.
Good boy. I know. Sometimes it's hard to stab them. There we go. Okay, it's coming.
Do you think Betty's at home?
What do you think, Levi?
You can brag about this at school next week. It's there. Okay, so this is your last piece. So before you give it to him, you gotta shout nice and loud so we can hear you. Last piece, Koshna, then you give it to him.
Nice and loud.
Last piece, Coach.
Louder.
Last piece, Koshka. Go outside. Calm down, Coach. It's coming. Oh, you got it all really over there. So. Okay. I'll get it. I'll start with this really big one. How does that sound? If I can get it through here, I hate it when they're frozen sometimes.
Yeah.
That's how we make sure they're fresh. Okay. So you're going to stick there for the diamond. You're going to pull that. Good boy. And you don't have to push it all the way, just enough that he can reach it. Koshka here, his name in Russian actually means cat or cat.
Does he look like a kid?
He doesn't act like one, I can tell you that. He's one of the cats that doesn't like mornings. I think nobody really does. The one person who does here is probably Zimmerman. Our little hooligan who likes to play with his ball in the morning.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll get that later. That happens once in a while.
He's like,
He won't let me forget it. He'll remind me to get it for him.
oh, he's ready.
And so he is 5 years old.
Okay.
5-year-old new boy. Since he's a boy, yeah, the boys don't stop growing until they're about 5 or 6 years old. So he and his brother too get next door. They either stop growing this year or they have one more. The girls, however, they stop growing between 3 and 4 years old. So their sisters, it's okay. So their sisters behind them, Sephra and Malenki, they are done growing. They are 5 years old, and they will stop growing. Good boy. He loves red meat.
This is just regular, like, steak meat.
It's actually equine. We have people that donate some of the meat to us.
I see.
Starting to get a lot more since it's starting to actually, snow's starting to kind of go away, so we're getting a lot more people donating this stuff.
Nice.
I can't get this. I don't like this thing. Okay, so this is your last piece. So before you give it to him, shout nice and loud so you can hear you. Last piece, Koshka, then give it to him. You gotta yell it out first.
Last.
Loud. Down.
Yeah, maybe yell it?
Yeah. Down.
Last piece, Koshka. Like that.